How
Yes,
are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you? How about you?
I'm also doing great. How is it?
Yeah, my name is Iskar already. I have a channel. It is a 3S English, and I upload conversations with native speakers through Cambly and Ingo. Those
How is your
videos.
experience about Cambly?
It is good for me because it gives me a lot of experience. I used Cambly since 4 months.
Okay. So did you
Yeah,
feel any
now I
change in your spoken English, or like you joined it just for to remove your hesitation?
yeah I changed a lot.
Okay, that's good.
Before using Cambly, I feel very shy and nervous. Now I feel free to speak.
And that's
Okay.
what I felt about Cambly. This is a great platform to remove your hesitation actually. I know that you're not gonna learn any grammatical correction here, but the main thing that you're gonna remove is your hesitation, what I feel.
Yes, it is for intermediate levels. Who are in intermediate levels,
Yeah, yes,
those
yes.
people go for Cambly for higher studies. Can I know about you? You are a
Yeah, of
teacher?
course, you know that my name is Nikita Yadav and I'm living in Haryana. In Haryana,
Haryana.
I'm living in Gurugram. Yeah, and
Okay.
here I work as a teacher.
Now
What do you do
still,
apart your YouTube channel?
I'm a housewife and
Okay.
I teach to small children for my practice English. My aim, my dream is go to USA for my studies, higher studies. I want to do MS
Okay, so what are your
and
current
also
educational qualifications?
I qualified. I completed my graduation. BTech. It is called engineering.
Okay. So why do you want to learn English? What motivates you to learn English?
I in studies up to my 10th class. I studied my local language in Telugu medium. After
Okay.
intermediate and my BTech engineering studies are going in English. So still, I feel very shy and I feel nervous to speak with others. So I want to change myself. I want to become a public speaker, and
Okay,
also,
that's great.
and also my husband have a church. So I want to teach lot of peoples in English to spread gospel also. That's why
Okay,
I'm learning. I have passion about English.
okay, that's very great. And what was the motivation or what drove you to start your YouTube channel?
Thank you. You also. You still schools. You are working like online teacher or school or college where you are teaching.
Actually, right now only virtual classes are going on, but hopefully school may start from first Feb. I think so.
Okay.
But I
Here
don't think that
some.
parents are ready to send their kids to school. But we have
Yes.
applied a form, like we have sent a form to all the parents. A survey has been done. Let's see what happens, whether the parents are ready to send their kids to school or not.
Yes. Here some schools are open and some schools are going on online classes.
Schools has been open for 12th class only here in Gurugram.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Gurugram.
classes below 12th are still the schools are shut down.
Okay. Gurugram it is town, city.
Don't you know about Gurugram?
I hear about name, but I cannot see visited. It
Gurugram is
is
a big city actually. Yeah, it's very famous.
yes, yeah, a name also very famous Gurugram.
Yeah, it's very famous.
Yeah, what you like there, temples or what you like there? You like
In
most?
Gurugram, there is no such thing that I can say that I can say that I feel proud because, like in Gurugram, like Delhi, here just only
Yeah,
pollution, traffic, and these things. Like there is no such thing that
yeah.
I can motivate people that you can travel here or anything that you can see here. Just only malls and buildings, nothing except malls and buildings here.
Yes, Taj. You visited Taj Mahal lot of times.
Sorry.
You visited Taj Mahal
Yeah, I visited Taj Mahal once. I
only
think
one.
4 years ago. Yeah.
Okay. How your experience? How was
It's
your?
a beautiful building. If I see from outside, it's really a beautiful building. But I can't say that like people call it a symbol of love. I don't think so. That it's a symbol of love because the real story we all know about Taj Mahal. What is the real story? So I don't believe that it's a symbol of love. Taj Mahal, though it's a
Okay.
beautiful building. If we see its structure and interior, everything, yeah, it's a beautiful building.
Yeah, it is. Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I have passion to go there
Oh,
and
haven't you
visit.
visited Taj Mahal yet?
No, I am from South Party. I am from Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, 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 okay. Then
I
I
am not
recommend you
from
must
North
visit
part.
at least once. Like it's a beautiful building actually.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you also talking with Cambly tutors with native speakers. How was it your experience?
I talked like I got my subscription for 3 months actually, but now my subscription has ended and my experience was good. Like I didn't feel that Cambly can teach you anything, okay? But definitely one thing I can say that yeah, if you are at intermediate level, then definitely you can remove your hesitation. That's it.
Yes, you are speaking very
So
well
one
because
thing
you are
that
a
I feel about Cambly that the tutors do not stop you when you make mistakes. And if you are a beginner, then you can't learn anything because you are not going to understand the native speaker, and I think the native speakers are not going to understand you what you are speaking. They are not going to correct you if you are making any mistakes. So what I think that first you make your level at intermediate level. If you are at intermediate level, then it may be fruitful for you, but if you are a beginner, then I don't think that it can give you anything, it can teach you anything.
yes.
Yeah,
Beginners, yeah, who are prepared for higher studies, you can choose.
yeah, definitely those people can choose Cambly.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, how was life going on?
Everything is fine. What is the temperature there in your city?
It is very cool because winter. I hear north part is very cool because of have mountains,
Yeah.
Himalayas.
Hmm.
It is right. You have very cold.
No, northern part right now, yeah, it's pretty cold here right now. Like the temperature is 13 to 14 degrees Celsius nowadays.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Still, you are working as a online teacher, or
Yeah.
you have a going through YouTube, conducting videos on YouTube.
On YouTube, I'm just uploading conversational videos as you are uploading, but uh, as my job, I'm working as a teacher. Virtual classes are going on, online classes.
What you teach? You are teach English. Which subject?
Yeah. Yeah, I teach English, grammar, and literature.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Which students you are teach?
I teach up to 10th standard.
And they cannot pay money in like Cambly or Ingo subscription
Yeah.
plans. They, yeah. So I upload those videos in that they have some idea how to become fluent in English. And also nowadays from village, in point of view village women are not educated, but they understand English, but they cannot speak well like me.
Okay.
But
No, you can speak very well.
yeah, now I'm speaking very well. Yeah. Okay. The next generation people are know about English. They study with English mediums. So parents are definitely teach and doing homework with children. So that's why women are have lot of time at home. So I think I have a dream who are visiting or watch my videos and they gain some knowledge through me.
Definitely, definitely, people will get you.
I have that how I fashion, but I want to become any celebrity in YouTube.
Okay.
My point of view.
Definitely, definitely.